talk to me right now. But I'm gonna stand out here and hope that you come and talk. Even if it takes all night. I'm going to be right here. Because I love you. I do love you, Frank. And I'm so sorry. So if that means making a fool of myself again, well, then I will. I will. Because sometimes love is not easy. It's hard as hell. And even though I'm trying to love you, I just don't know how. So, if you can help me, then I think I can help you. Okay, I got you. I got you. Nigga, you really ain't gonna open this door. Okay. Fine.
I can't explain. Where do we lose our way? Girl, it's driving me insane. And I know I just need one more chance to prove my love to you. If you come back to me, I'll guarantee that I'll never let you go. Can we go back to the days our love was? Can you tell me how a perfect love goes wrong? Can somebody tell me how to get things back the way they used to be? Oh God, give me no reason. I'm down on bending knee. Come back to me. I'm down on bending knee.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me for all. Please. I'm sorry.
Where y'all going? Sit back down. This movie ain't over yet. Where do you see this?
Is there anyone here who has any objection to these two people being married? Speak now or forever hold your peace.
I object, your pastor. You know what? I would cuss up in here, but I don't want to be cussing up in this house of the Lord. Can't be cussing in church, but you know what? He is a cheater. He a liar. You hurt my sister. You hurt my sister. And another thing, girl, let me tell you, all right? Let me go ahead and solve some mystery. Him, nasty. Sleep with all kind of people. I could have slept with him, but I went to jail at the time, so I didn't get to hit that. You ain't no good. You That's how that go. Yep, that's how that go. Yep. Don't have time for this. I feel like this wedding deserves a little bit more action.